Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a terrific Monday. We're going to be talking about some curbside deals. Essentially, you hit that blue button on the left-hand side, order this stuff through the comforts of your home, through your desktop computer, cell phone, or tablet. Order to pick it up at the store, and that is called a curbside deal. Sometimes items are a bit cheaper and it's a little bit easier to shop this way. However, if you are more of a shopper that likes to go in store, look around, I made a video where I was in store shopping yesterday. I will link it at the very end. This was a $6 moneymaker on the right, and we have 75% off of paper towel. Amazing. If you could do me a huge favor and like this video, take a quick second and give it a big old thumbs up. It would mean the world to me, so thank you so much in advance. Okay, first piece of business we're going to talk about, even before we talk about the deals, is this paper deal. Because a lot of you are kind of shy, or you're not sure where to find it. Find it merchandised in the paper aisle, on end caps, or at the front of the store. And specifically with the app, type in Super Premium Ultra Quilted Paper Towels, Walgreens brand. Just type in Walgreens Super Premium Ultra Quilted Paper Towels. Take a breath. And then it'll be, then if you just look below, it'll say in stock, blah, blah, blah. But if it is in stock and if it is on clearance at your store, you have a indication that this is definitely worth the gas money for you to go over there and snoop around and see what you can find. And this is specifically the packaging. I'm also going to show you the UPC here. But I mean, for $1.59 for 4 of these paper towels, and a lot of you were saying in the comments you do like this paper towel. A lot of people buy it. You know, just make it happen. And you have to do this in store. You cannot do this as a curbside pickup because you saw the price. It's 2 for $10. As a curbside, in store, it's a different price. So I would try and move on this however you can. And I know a lot of you really scored big on this deal. Now, I also want to talk about a couple fillers because sometimes I go with a candy bar or something very generic that most of you can find. However, I did find in the app some weird clearance, including these Mother's Day bags that were $4.99. Now they're down to 99 cents. That might make a great filler to get you to the $10 mark with these curbside offers. Also, we have the Crest Gum Detoxify for 99 cents. There's a digital coupon, but unfortunately I can't seem to add 4 to any basket, so it's just some cheapo gum toothpaste. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about, and this one we're going to use a booster because we want a lot of stuff for free. So this is the one that I have, 6 back when you spend 25. A lot of you also have a 7 back when you spend 25. This is what we're grabbing on the basket. 2 of the Dove body washes for 14 and 3 of the Tom's of Maine toothpaste for $14.97. Yes, I am well past that $25 mark, but there is a method to this madness. We're going to load the following digitals that include the 7 off 2 for the Dove, and we have a $1 digital for the Tom's of Maine, so make sure you have that loaded. Also, coupons.com, we have another $1 rebate for that, so load that as well. So for this deal, throwing all of that stuff into a basket is $28.97. Curbside pickup is free. $1.74 in tax. Ouch. $8 is melting off. With your debit card, you're going to spend $22.71 as you have that fat booster of earn 6 when you spend 25. So you got to use your debit card. And then you're getting back $19 in Walgreens cash. 6 for the booster, 7 for the Dove, and then you're getting back another 9 for the Tom's of Maine. For every 3 Tom's of Maine you're buying, you're getting back $3 of Walgreens cash. So that is superty-duperty. And you're also going to submit $1 back to the coupons.com app. So after everything's said and done, this is a free haul. So a lot of fancy toothpaste and fancy body wash. It's a really great basket. Do love this one. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at, deal number 2, and these are just like little cheapo $10 baskets. 1 of the Airheads for 89 cents, and then 2 of the Tom's of Maine toothpaste for $9.98. Load this digital coupon for the Toms of Maine. Looking at the overall basket, the subtotal is $10.87. Free curbside pickup. Our dollar digital is coming off. So the new total is $10.47. I personally would use $10 of Walgreens cash if you might have it. You're going to earn back $6 in Walgreens cash, $3 for each Toms of Maine. Plus, you're going to photograph your receipt to the coupons.com app to retrieve an extra $1 for that tube that you purchased. So either link your Walgreens and coupons.com account or make sure you get a receipt because you need a receipt for this one to submit it to coupons.com. And now we have deal number 3. Okay, so we're going to grab 4 of these $2.99 Hallmark Mother's Day cards for $11.96. A lot of us got a lot of these $3 digitals, so we're going to put a couple of them into play. So looking at the overall basket, guys, it's $11.96. Curbside pickup is free, 72 cents in tax. 4 of our $3 coupons are reduced down to $11.96. You're just paying the tax. You have 4 gorgeous Mother's Day card. You are covered for the next couple of years, and just a very good deal. And with this $2.99 card, I believe you can only do this one as a curbside. In-store, the $3 digital will not attach with the card, unfortunately. You'll have to buy $3.99 or higher. Okay, friends, now we're looking at deal number 4. So for this specific deal, we're going to grab 5 of the $1.99 Walgreens toilet papers. Original price point is $4.99, so just under $5. So $2 is where it's at. We are 5 cents short from hitting that mark, so we're going to throw in a single roll at 79 cents. Looking at the overall basket, it's $10.74. Curbside pickup is free, 64 cents in tax. $11.38. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.38. I know there's a code WAGS20. If it's working for you, you might get an extra percentage off. I know a lot of us, we cannot get those percentage off to work, but WAGS20, try typing it in, see what happens. Okay, deal number 5. We're going to grab one of the Carefree pads for $5.49 and then 2 of the Oral-B Vivid toothbrushes for $6. Make sure that you have your following best friends loaded. That include the 3 off 2 digital for the Oral-B. And then we also need this $3 digital loaded, a $3 off of a Playtex, Stay Free, or Carefree. That's a very valuable coupon. So looking at the overall basket, it's $11.49. Curbside pickup is free, 36 cents in tax, $6 of coupons melting off for a total of $5.85. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash if you might have it. Pay that 85 cents, and you're getting back 3 for the purchase of the 2 Oral-B brushes. And the final deal that we're looking at, if you need some fancy shampoo, this is the one for you. We're going to grab 2 of the Love, Beauty, and Planet shampoos. They are 2 for $14. So throw 2 of them into your basket. You are going to load this digital coupon, which is really generous. It's a 7 off 2. At the very least, guys, load this coupon because it's good until like May. Looking at the overall basket for this, 2 of the shampoos at $14. Curbside pickup is free, 84 cents in tax. That $7 coupon is coming off. The new total is $7.84. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.84 and call this a fabulous deal. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.